Hello. Is my audio clear? Hi guys. Good evening. Preeti, Soumya, Joshi, Ritesh, Radha, Naveen, Jasleen. Hi guys. Audio video clear hai? Is the audio video clear to all? Good evening, good evening, good evening. Good evening. Audio video is perfect. Clear, clear, clear. चलिए बाबा. How are you all doing? कैसे हो आप लोग? कैसे हो आप लोग? कैसा चल रहा है प्रिपरेशन? हाय रावण, हाय अनमोल. प्रिपरेशन कैसा चल रहा है? जल्दी 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 कमेंट करके बताइए. प्रिपरेशंस फॉर नवंबर 22 एग्जाम कैसा चल रहा है आप लोगों का? मेनी कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस प्रवीण. हाय सुनील, हाय शुभम. शुभम बोल रहा है मजामा. हाँ ठीक है, वेरी गुड, बहुत मस्त. यश बोल रहा है बहुत बढ़िया, फाइन. ओके चलिए, अब देखिए प्रिपरेशन अच्छा चल रहा है तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. मैं ये जानना चाहता हूं कि अभी जो कमिंग 30 डेज है, 30 डेज टू बी मोर प्रिसाइज, कि 28 डेज, ठीक है. तो हाँ, रिविजन वीडियोस मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट यू मेड फॉर अस. ओके, राधे राधे एसपी. ओके चलिए, फर्स्ट थिंग फर्स्ट, कितने लोग रिवीजन देख रहे हैं? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर वॉचिंग द रिवीजन? ओके, आई विल टॉक इन इंग्लिश एज वेल एज हिंदी, बोथ द लैंग्वेज. चलो, हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर वॉचिंग द रिवीजन? How many of you are watching the revision? Okay, very good, very good, very good. Chalo, now, see, one thing which I want to tell all of you, just let me download the institute ka. Just give me a minute, everyone. Watching revision videos and attending Q&A session. Very good, very good. Just give me a minute. Now, one quick thing which I want to show all of you. Tell me one thing, okay, that's still getting downloaded. How many of you are picking up the pen and start writing the question answers? I want to ask all of you, how many of you are writing the question answers with your own hand? How many of you are doing it? I want all of you to quickly tell me. Quickly tell me how many of you are picking up a pen and writing the question answers. How many of you are? I am, sir, giving mock test. Very good. Dinesh says me. Nilesh says yes. Okay. Vamsi, Pawan. ठीक है, दीपू, रावण, महिमा जैन, solving. Okay, very good. Now the recent poll which you had gone ahead and taken to ask the student how many of you are going ahead and writing question answers. Listen to me carefully, everyone, very important for you guys. The recent poll which we had gone ahead and taken, only 26% of the students went ahead and told that sir, we are actually writing question answers. Okay? Now out of these 26% students who have gone ahead and told, also I assume that actually who are going ahead and writing the complete answer and going ahead and checking with the ICI material must be only 15%. Only 15%. Only 15% of the student must be actually going ahead and writing question answers with their own hand. Now you tell me one thing. Why will the pass percentage not be less? Why is the ICI ka pass percentage? Why are the students going ahead and passing only 10%, 15% of the students are passing? This is because of that reason only, that only the students who are going ahead and practicing the question answers. Baba, I am not denying the fact that might be 2-3%, 5% of the student would have gone ahead and passed by luck without going ahead and writing and practicing. But remember one thing, those students who go ahead and pick up their pen and write the question answers are the only student who are going ahead and passing. Remember one thing. So if you want to go ahead and pass, I will suggest you only one thing, that you have to go ahead and start writing. Now, okay, the video which is not clear, okay, 2 minutes it will be clear. 2 minutes it will be clear. 2 to 5 minutes it will be clear. Okay, everyone. Now, I get maximum. Okay, student says, sir, I reached maximum 553 in 3 attempts, but never got an exemption, though the paper was easy. Please help me. Baba, bench it. What I am going ahead and telling you is, start writing. Baba, listen to me very carefully. Virat Kohli goes ahead to the field and hits a sixer. Right, everyone? You would have gone ahead and seen Virat Kohli is hitting a sixer. You know why? Because when he's practicing, he's hitting a sixer. You guys, you are practicing at home for 1 mark, 2 marks. Sir, I will go ahead and solve question answers only. 1 minute. Sir, I will go ahead and solve question answers. I will not go ahead and write. I will go ahead and only in my calculator, I will solve question answers. Baba, you are practicing for only 1 mark or 2 mark. If you go ahead, listen to me very carefully. If you go ahead and practice only for 1 mark or 2 mark, trust me, if you go ahead and practice only for 1 mark or 2 mark, you will get in the exam also 1 mark, 2 mark. At home, your strategy has to be, people listen to me very carefully. Everyone over here, there is some issue with the camera. Give me 5 minutes, it will be cleared. Okay, Baba, I might not be visible clearly. Ignore that part. The camera has some issue. It will be sorted in some time. Listen to me very carefully. The most important strategy which I am going to tell you is, listen to me very carefully over here. There are a lot of students who are going ahead. There are a lot of students who are using my YouTube revisionary and going ahead and revising. People, listen to me very carefully. You have to revise every chapter, and after you are done revising that chapter, at least 1 hour every day, you have to practice question answers. People who are going ahead and writing at least 1 hour, 1.5 hours are the student who will have absolutely no problem when they go to the exam hall. Sir, we have gone ahead and taken your Q&A batch. Baba, if you have gone ahead and taken my Q&A batch, then you might already be having my revision. Along with that, question answers you are solving with me. So every day you have to watch 1 or 2 revision, and that 1 or 2 chapter ka question answers you have to write and solve. In the Q&A batch, I've gone ahead and told you, every time I'm going ahead and telling, write. When you write, then we compare. You write, we compare. You write, we compare. And that is the best way to go ahead and hit a sixer in the exam. I'll tell you, students learn. Students are learning. Okay, very good. I'm telling, in the world, all the teachers are good. Every teacher who's going ahead and teaching, he is very good. He has taught you conceptually. Secondly, we have gone ahead and given you the chart book. Your teacher must have given you their summary material. You have how to go ahead and retain. You know concept, you know how to go ahead and retain. Retain and remembering ke liye, we go ahead and revise, we go ahead and give you the chart book. The third part which is there, the third part is the most important part which you people are not doing. Trust me, the third part, the most important part to be done in the last day of the last month, in the last month of the exam is the question answer writing. That skill is the most important skill which students don't go ahead and do it. I am telling you, listen to me. Pick up your Q&A material, start writing, start writing. You have to write. If you are not writing, you are doing a very big mistake. Sir, my teacher taught me. Okay, Baba. Sir, I am going ahead and remembering everything. I am revising from the chart book. I remember everything. The third thing, the question answer writing, I can't do it on your behalf. I will not. If I practice, you will not pass. So I am going ahead and telling, if you want to pass, this last 1 month will change your result. I am telling you. Pick up your question answer material, start writing, write, compare, write, compare, write, compare. Compare your answer, find out what is the mistake. If you go ahead and find out the mistake yourself, you will start realizing, oh no, I was writing such a third class answer. That is why I was not getting good marks in the exam. So please listen to me very carefully, everyone. If you have enrolled for my Q&A focus batch, you might already be having the revision. So every day 2 chapter ka revision, plus you have to go ahead and solve question answers with me in the class. Please pick up a pen, buy a big notebook, fat notebook, and start writing. Sir, I have not enrolled for your Q&A batch. No problem. Baba, if you want to enroll, till today I have gone ahead and extended the offer. Till tonight, the Q&A focus batch in the mobile app is only at 999. If you want to go ahead and enroll, trust me, that is the least selling course which is there. Why, you know? That is the least selling course, but the most important course which should be done by all the students. You know why it is the least selling course? Because students are lazy. They don't want to practice. Sir, you teach us, you revise, we will pass. Not possible. You have to work hard, only then you are going to pass. So people who want to go ahead and enroll for the Q&A batch, you can go to the mobile app. It's available at 999 only till today night, 12 o'clock. you can go ahead and enroll for the Q&A batch and practice Q&A with me. We go ahead and discuss lot of strategies. We go ahead and talk how to write in the exam, what not to write, what to write. In 3 hours, you have to not write one line extra and you have to not write one line less. You have to write exactly what they are going ahead and asking you in the exam. And that is what we go ahead and prepare in the Q&A batch. Sir, I don't want to buy the Q&A batch. No problem. Go to my YouTube. English YouTube is there. Hindi YouTube channel is there. Both may. Whichever language you are comfortable, go ahead and revise. Revise at least 5 times your revision should be done before the exam. And trust me, it's only 24 hours ka revision. Aram se you can go ahead and revise every weekend once you can go ahead and revise. But the most important point over here is you have to pick up whichever Q&A material you have to pick up and start writing. Every day 1.5 hours, every day 1.5 hours to 2 hours, you have to pick up and start writing. Now, I will go ahead and show you ICI ka question paper which had come in the May 22 attempt. Listen, I am showing you the ICI ka question paper May 22 attempt ka. Listen to me. See here. Can you guys see this question? Yes, sir, we saw the question. Baba, when you go ahead and see down, can you guys see what are the assumptions taken by the ICI? In your dreams also, you will never go ahead and write these assumptions in the exam. Sir, it has been most logically presumed. It has been most logically presumed. In this case, it has been assumed. Can you guys see this assumption and presumption? Students don't write it in the exam. Students are going ahead and writing their own assumption. Sir, I will write it this way and come. Baba, you have to write the assumptions in the exam. How will you know what kind of an assumption you should take if you don't practice question answer? Tell me, everyone. How will you go ahead? How will you go ahead and know what is the assumption you have to write? See, the question paper, May 22 ka question paper, this is suggested answer. It has been most logically assumed. It has been most logically presumed. It has been assumed. Then I'll show you more. Listen. I'll show you more in the question paper. See. The answer given, the amount given in the question has been assumed. Can you guys see? The question papers nowadays can have multiple views. Baba, indirect tax. Listen to me very carefully. Tax was made. People making the tax, no? They don't know what are the practical scenarios that can happen. So when the question paper comes in the exam, it can have multiple views which are there. If you have not practiced, you will not know that there can be other view also. You will never write your assumption. Trust me, if you are not writing your assumption, you will not get good marks. Can you guys see? It has been assumed. Then, see here. It has been most logically assumed. Seventh assumption in the question paper. Everyone here. Since the question requires this, see, it has been most logically assumed. Can you guys see over here? It has been assumed again. If we have more, I'll show you over here. Do we have more assumptions which they have written? That's it, I believe. Yes, sir, that's it. Okay. Now, so if you go ahead and see, almost 8 to 9 assumptions were there. Everyone, approximately 8 to 9 assumptions were there. And you know what? Students are doing a mistake. Not writing. Baba, if you write at home, listen to me very carefully. Everyone over here. Can you see this question? See. These are different types of question. The first question is telling you enumerate. Means you have to elaborate. The second question is telling just give me the list. They are not asking you to elaborate. The third question just says write the differences. Every question is different. A question which tells you discuss. A question which goes ahead and tells you write examine. A question which goes ahead and tells you just state. A question which goes ahead and tells you state with reasoning. A question which tells you elaborate. A question which states state with brief reasoning. How will you know what are you going to write? You know, students write only one way. My way. I will write everything which I know. I will vomit everything and come. Let the examiner choose. Why will you do that? Why will you do that? You have to go ahead and write what is being asked for. Your papa asked you, where did you go? You told Papa, today morning I woke up. Then I brushed my tooth. Then I went for a walk. Then I went to meet my friend. Then I went for a party, then I am coming late. Papa is asking, why are you coming late? Simple, go ahead and tell him, yes, I went for a party and I am come late. That is what is happening over here. Students are going ahead and writing everything they want to in life. If you go ahead and do this, you will never be able to pass. Remember that. If you want to go ahead and pass, please pick up your pen and start writing today. Every question is different. Baba, see over here. They are asking you, examine the correctness. Can you guys see? The second question. Sir, over here, what are they going ahead and asking? Give your advice. They are asking you advice over here. Here, they are asking you whether it is correct or not. Then, okay, here they are going ahead and telling. See, here it's a very straightforward question. To whom it should be make an appeal? What is the time limit for appeal? So you have to know what different types of question mean in the exam. Is my point 100% clear to all? Did you guys understand what I am telling you? Are you guys able to understand that each question has a different way of writing, and that way of writing can't be told. It can't be told to you. You have to write and learn. And that is why I had gone ahead and introduced the Q&A batch so that every student practices the Q&A. But students are least interested in the course. Today, if I go ahead and announce that fast track batch, for an example, I will give 50% off. Baba, 2000 students will go ahead and buy it today. But why? Because I am talking. No, I am putting effort. When I am telling Q&A batch, 500 students will go ahead and buy. Why? Because students are not interested in working hard. Those are the students who have gone ahead and they are going to write. Those are only going to pass. Remember that. So if you want to go ahead and pass in the exam, pick up your Q&A material, revise from my YouTube. Baba, the only strategy for the last 1 month. Revise from my YouTube revision and question answers practice. Baba, I believe your concept should be clear before you go ahead and revise. In the revision batch, in the revision online YouTube mein, I don't go ahead and discuss concept. Okay? For concept, you can go for the fast track batch. That is different. But what I am telling is, if you want to go ahead and score the best, your classes are already done, or you are done with a self-study already. Nothing. You don't need anything in life. Pick up the YouTube, revise and practice question answer. Revise and practice question answers from today. Revise. Revise as much as you want. Revise, go ahead, practice question answers as much as you want. How many of you are going to do it from today? Quickly tell me. I want a promise from everyone that, sir, yes, we are going to practice the question answers from today. How many of you are going to do it? How many of you are going to do it? I'm ready. Okay, you guys are going to do it. Yes, sir, we will do. Okay. People are going to do it. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. Yes, sir, we'll do it. Yes, sir, promise. Done. This is the May 22 ka exam paper. This is the May 22 ka exam paper. Do one thing today. People, pick up this question paper. Pick up this question paper and write. Pick up this question paper and write. If you write and you compare your answer, you will understand where do you stand today. Pick up this question paper and start writing today. I am telling you, if you feel that your preparations are done, you will come down to a level saying, oh no sir, what am I doing in life? So I want each one of you today to go ahead, pick up this question paper. May 22 ka question paper ka suggested answer is there. Pick up and start writing. You will understand where you stand. Done. Okay. मन तो कर रहा है सब क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस कर लूं. 1 day बिफोर द एग्जाम कैसे रिवाइज करना होता है. मेरा सब थियरी क्वेश्चंस आता है, एमसीक्यू नहीं आता. लिसन वर्षा, आपको क्यूएनए मटेरियल उठाना है. बाबा, इफ यू आर आस्किंग मी अ क्वेश्चन इन इंग्लिश, आई विल रिप्लाई इन इंग्लिश. इफ यू आर आस्किंग मी इन हिंदी, आई विल रिप्लाई इन हिंदी. नो प्रॉब्लम. यू हैव टू गो अहेड. वर्षा, आपको क्वेश्चन बैंक उठाना है, अपना क्वेश्चन बैंक उठाना है, प्रैक्टिस करना है. while you practice, you will make mistakes. The questions in which you go ahead and make a mistake, those are the questions you have to go ahead and practice 1 day before the exam. Listening to me, everyone, you have to go ahead, pick up your Q&A material and write. Whichever questions you make a mistake or you see that you are very bad at them, those are the questions you have to practice again. Other than that, simpler questions, you can just go ahead and quickly practice one time and leave it. Sir, theory questions, should I practice? Should I write and practice? Yes, Baba, theory also you have to write and practice. Sir, practical question I will do only on calculator. You are a fool if you are doing it. Don't do it. Write the whole question and then go ahead. Last day make revision plus question how to manage. Last day you just have to revise from the YouTube revisionary or the revisionary batch. If you have taken the Q&A focus batch, from that revision you have to revise. Along with that, the questions which you made a mistake, now in the next 30 days, whichever questions you make a mistake, those questions you have to practice 1 day before the exam. Practice means at least those questions 1 day before the exam you have to see and go. Right everyone? Sir, सारे concept memorize किए थे, अब पूरा याद नहीं आ रहा. बाबा याद नहीं आएगा. तब आएगा याद जब प्रैक्टिस करोगे। बेटा लिखना चालू करो, 1 वीक के बाद आप मेरे को बोलोगे सर मजा आ गया, लिख के इतना मजा आएगा। लिखना चालू करो, सब याद आएगा। पता है बच्चे क्या करते हैं, पहली बार लिखना एग्जाम में लिखेंगे, पहली बार कहां लिखते हैं, एग्जाम में लिखते हैं। बेटा 4 अटेम्प्ट लगेंगे पास होने में, क्योंकि अगर एग्जाम में प्रैक्टिस करोगे ना तो प्रैक्टिस ही करते रह जाओगे। घर में प्रैक्टिस करके जाना है, एग्जाम में नहीं करना प्रैक्टिस। पहली बार एग्जाम में प्रैक्टिस करके सर खुजला के याद करते हैं, ओ I don't remember anything. Baba, because you have not practiced. Practice at home and go for the exam. You will remember everything. कुछ skip मत करो. One more thing. Baba, I will give the ABC analysis later. I will not give it now. Now, you have to go ahead and study all the chapter. I will show you the questions. 1 minute. I will show you the question paper. See. This is a question which has come from tax invoice chapter. How many marks? 4 marks. This is a question which has come from liability to pay in certain cases. How many marks? 4 marks. This is a question which has come, okay. This is a question, list the safeguard, inspection, search, seizure and arrest. Baba, people consider these as C graded chapters. People consider these as C graded chapter. Can you see there are 3 questions in your exam? I am telling you B graded or C graded, 4 marks. Are you happy leaving that 4 marks in the exam? Do you want to leave that 4 marks in the exam? 1 mark नहीं छोड़ेंगे हम लोग, सारे मार्क्स लेंगे। लेंगे कैसे? सारे चैप्टर रिवीजन करेंगे, सारे चैप्टर का प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। कैसे होगा? मेहनत करना होगा। मैं हूं आप लोगों के साथ। जो भी क्वेरीज है ड्रॉप कीजिए मेरे को। मेरा नंबर है 7259276368। टेलीग्राम कीजिए, व्हाट्सएप कीजिए। एक बार रिप्लाई नहीं किया, भूल गया मैं, कोई बात नहीं, फिर से याद दिलाइए। 100% आई विल गेट बैक टू यू। इंटर का भी आपको प्रैक्टिस करना है। सर इज फॉर असेसमेंट टू एंड ऑफ जीएसटी। बाबा क्वेश्चन आंसर्स टेलीग्राम और व्हाट्सएप। कॉन्सेप्ट ठीक हो, अजम्पशन बट डिफरेंट हो तो मार्क्स मिलेंगे। एजम्पशन करेक्ट लिख के आना है। मैं एक बात बोलूं, अजम्पशंस अगर करेक्ट लिख के आओगे तो मार्क्स मिलेंगे। और अभी के लिए एक काम कीजिए, जैसा आईसीआई अजम्पशन ले रहा है वैसा ही अजम्पशन लेना सीखिए। सर आईसीआई और मेरा अजम्पशन सेम कैसे होगा? उनका क्वेश्चन आंसर बुक मतलब क्वेश्चन आंसर बुक उठाइए, चाहे मेरा आईसीआई का Q&A उठा के, मतलब आईसीआई का जो कॉन्सेप्ट वाला बुक है उसमें क्वेश्चन आंसर्स है, क्वेश्चंस उठा के लिखना चालू कीजिए। जब क्वेश्चंस उठा के लिखना चालू करोगे, या आप हमारा कंपाइलर लीजिए, कंपाइलर में भी क्वेश्चन आंसर्स है। क्वेश्चन उठाइए, क्वेश्चंस का आंसर लिखना चालू कीजिए। लिखोगे जितना उतना मार्क्स मिलेगा। लिखना चालू कीजिए। लिखोगे तभी असम्पशन समझ में आएगा, लिखोगे तभी सोच समझ में आएगा कि आईसीआई कैसे लिख रही है, वैसे ही मैं लिखूंगा। लिखना चालू करो। विल टाइम बी सफिशिएंट फॉर प्रैक्टिस? यस बाबा, टाइम विल बी सफिशिएंट, 100% सफिशिएंट। टाइम किसी के लिए कम नहीं होता। इट्स जस्ट अबाउट प्रायोरिटाइजिंग। आपको प्रायोरिटाइज करना है। सर इतनी बियर्ड मेंटेन कैसे करते हो? नालायक। सर प्रोविजन एस इट इज नहीं लिख पाते। कोई बात नहीं, आप लिखना चालू कीजिए। 7 दिन के बाद आप ग्रुप में, टेलीग्राम ग्रुप में मेरे को बताइएगा आपका प्रिपरेशन कैसा है। 7 दिन। बाबा हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर रेडी फॉर द 7 days चैलेंज विथ मी? कि 7 दिन हम करेंगे क्वेश्चन आंसर प्रैक्टिस। बोलिए कितने लोग रेडी है मेरे साथ 7 दिन मेरे साथ क्वेश्चन आंसर प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए? कितने लोग रेडी है मेरे साथ? यस सर। नहीं, एग्जाम तक नहीं, 7 दिन आपको करना है। 7 दिन करके मुझे बताना है कि सर 7 दिन से मैं क्वेश्चन आंसर्स प्रैक्टिस कर रहा हूं। 7 दिन से मैं क्वेश्चन आंसर्स प्रैक्टिस कर रहा हूं। बाबा आप 7 दिन प्रैक्टिस कीजिए, नहीं जीएसटी से स्टार्ट कीजिए। 7 दिन क्वेश्चन आंसर प्रैक्टिस करके टेलीग्राम ग्रुप पे मुझे बताइए कि सर कैसा जा रहा है क्वेश्चन आंसर्स का प्रैक्टिस। One minute everyone. One minute. Some issue. चलिए, I am ready. Okay, let's do it. Uma, Sanjeevi, yes, let's go ahead and start writing everyone. Let's go ahead and start writing. Okay. I don't have Q&A book. Can I join this class, sir? Okay, do one thing. Pratibha, I will give to you a Q&A book from my end to you. Chalo, I'll go ahead and give one Pratibha, one Q&A book. I will go ahead and send it to you. Gift from me to you. You have this number. Do one thing. After the Q&A session gets, after the class gets, this YouTube live gets over, please go ahead and message me. I will send you one Q&A book. Done. Who else has a problem? Pratibha, one is okay. I have announced one. Pratibha, ठीक है. Pratibha, done. Revan says, sir, I also want. Okay, Baba, Revan, done. Okay, now no, don't go ahead and tell me more. Revan and Pratibha, I will send two student code, two Q&A material. Done. Done. Two students, do one thing. You can go ahead and message me. You can go ahead and message me after the class gets over. Sir, I also want. Please, okay. See, Baba, two students from my end. I thought, okay, fine, I will go ahead. ठीक है. Let's do one thing. You use one code. You use this code, you will get a 50% off on the Q&A material. Done, everyone? You can use this code, and all of you, whoever wants the Q&A material 50% off till the exam. Done. Bas, Baba, this was more than how much I can do for all of you. Two students, I have gone ahead and given the free question answer book. You both can message me after the class gets over. The Q&A book will be sent to you free. Other students who want it, Baba, you can use this code. You can go ahead and use this code and you will get 50% off. Done. Baba, this much I can go ahead and do. You can use this code and you can get 50% off on the Q&A material. 900 is the 1000 is the Q&A material. You will get it at 500 rupees. Go ahead, practice. Baba, ji bhar ke practice karo. Likho. I am telling you, whoever is going ahead and doing it, 100% pass ho jayega. It will be activated. You have to go to rameshsoni.com. Baba, जाइए rameshsoni.com पे जाइए. rameshsoni.com पे जाइए. rameshsoni.com में आपको Q&A मटेरियल चूज करना है नवंबर 22 के लिए. उसमें आपको ये कोड यूज करना है. 7 बजे मैं कोड एक्टिवेट कर दूंगा. एक्चुअली मैंने अभी क्लास चलते चलते सोचा कि ठीक है, चलो बच्चों को एक Q&A मटेरियल भी दे देते हैं, सब कुछ जिसको चाहिए. तो 7 बजे मैं इसको एक्टिवेट कर दूंगा. 7 बजे के बाद जिसको Q&A मटेरियल चाहिए वो 500 रुपीज में Q&A मटेरियल ले सकता है. 50% ऑफ रहेगा. ले बेटा, लेकिन प्रैक्टिस करना है. उठा के अगर घर में रख दिया नालायक, लेके घर में नहीं रखना है, लेके प्रैक्टिस करना है. डन. स्टार्ट प्रैक्टिसिंग. लीला, स्टार्ट प्रैक्टिसिंग. Sir, in valuation chapter, freight calculation is different. Baba Dinesh, you have to go to my YouTube channel. In the YouTube channel, that freight wala calculation which is there, I have gone ahead and explained. You will be able to find it there. I am ready. Yes, done, Raghu. Sir, should we write the provisions in the study material? Start writing. Once you start writing, you will improve every day. Start writing. Once you start writing, you will improve. It will take time. Yes, Uma, it 100% creates. Sir, ABC analysis, one day before the exam. Not one day before the exam. I'll try to give it 1 week or 10 days before the exam. The ABC analysis will be sent to you. MCQ ऐप से करेंगे तो काफी रहेगा. डन. You can do it. सर, सेक्शन लिखने जरूरी है क्या? यस बाबा, कुछ सेक्शन लिखोगे तो मजा आएगा. देखिए, आप समझ लीजिए, आप कुछ सेक्शन तो लिखिए, प्रैक्टिस करना चालू कीजिए. 1 हफ्ते के बाद आप ये सब क्वेश्चन पूछोगे ही नहीं. मेरे से आप ये क्वेश्चन पूछोगे नहीं कि सर सेक्शन लिखे नहीं लिखे, खुद ही आने लग जाएगा आपको. सर, आई हैव माई एग्जाम इन नवंबर. हाउ Q&A सेशन इज for how many days? Baba, 35 hours is the Q&A session. Yes, the Q&A session till today is available at only 999 rupees on the mobile app. If you want, only till today it is available. The Q&A focus batch at 999. If you want, you can go ahead and take it. Done. Sir, can this same category be applied even CA final student? Yes, Baba, CMA final students also. You can revise from my YouTube revisionary and practice question answers. Is it mandatory to write section number? Your question answer book is up to December 21 exam. After that MTP, Baba, you don't have to refer anything. You only refer to my Q&A material. Along with that, you can solve this suggested answer. Suggested answer for May 22. Suggested answer for May 22 and November ka ITP. That's it. You have my Q&A material. Practice my Q&A material. Along with that, these two. The suggested answer for May 22 and November 22 ka RTP you can practice. That's it. Yes, Baba. No. Daily MCQ, what I can go ahead and tell you is you can download the Ramesh Soni classes mobile app and there it is available at only 1 rupee. MCQ test. You can start writing the MCQs yourself. Sir, minimum how many times do we require to revise before exam? Do it 5 times. In the exam, you'll see everything you remember. In the exam, you'll start remembering what question has come. No, you'll see that I am telling you the answer. When the question you will see, no, you'll remember me telling the answer in the exam hall. How, sir? Because the revision will start running in your brain. Start revision 5 times. Sir, I don't have time to write and solve because I started preparation very late. कोई बात नहीं. 2 घंटा कम सो ले. Prasanna, you can sleep 2 hours less, but practice question answer. Don't leave it. It's a very important step. Don't leave practicing question answers. I don't have Q&A. Rohit, I've gone ahead and told the Q&A material which is there will be available on rameshsoni.com from 7 o'clock at 50% off. For all the students, 50% off till your exam. You can go ahead and buy. Done, everyone. Anything else which you guys have? Can we go ahead and end the session otherwise? From today, 7 days challenge, all the students are going to go ahead and practice the question answers with me. All the students who are going to do this 7 days, 2 hours at least, let's go ahead and keep a target of 2 hours, half an hour revision, 1.5 hour question answer practice. 7 days you have to do, you have to write your answer, you have to compare your answer, you have to write an answer, you have to compare your answer. Let's see, 7 days later, I will go ahead and next Sunday, I will go ahead and ask you in the Telegram group, or might be if I get time, I'll go live. I'll not go ahead and promise, but 7 days challenge. Let's go ahead and see these 7 days, how many of you actually go ahead and do. The people who go ahead and practice for the 7 days, you will pass. You are going to pass. Start working hard, everyone. Sir, who are the 5 lucky ones for chart book? Okay, 5 lucky ones for the chart book. 1 minute. Let me just check if the office has already chosen the 5 people, or I will go ahead and announce. Just a minute, everyone. Okay, 5 lucky winners have already been sent. The whoever has gone ahead and taken our Q&A base, for those 5 lucky students, we have gone ahead and already announced the chart book. It's already announced. Sir, revision एकदम मस्त है बेटा, revision करते रहो. One minute. The students who have taken our Q&A batch, these are the 5 students who have taken our Q&A batch, and we will be going ahead and giving you the Q&A book plus the MCQ book. 5 students, everyone listen to me carefully. 5 students who have gone ahead and taken our Q&A book, those 5 people are the winners. Ravi Singh Chabra, Baba, I'll go ahead and tell you. Ravi Singh Chabra, Priyanshi Kesarwani, Adil bin Iqbal, then we have Akshata Sastri, Manish Gangwal. Baba, you 5 people will be sent the Q&A book plus the MCQ book. You have enrolled for our Q&A batch. You 5 students will be given the Q&A book plus the MCQ book. It will be sent to you, not the chart book. The Q&A book plus the MCQ book will be sent to 5 of you. These are the 5 lucky winners who had gone ahead and enrolled for our Q&A batch. All the other students, if you want to go ahead and enroll for the Q&A batch, trust me, it is going to help and make a lot of difference in your exam ka preparation. You can go ahead and enroll on our mobile app. On our mobile app, you have to download Ramesh Soni Classes mobile app. In the Ramesh Soni Classes mobile app, you can go ahead and enroll it for it at 999 only till today midnight. The offer is there. You can go ahead and do it. Done. Revision hours, Baba, both are approximately 25 hours. ठीक है, चलो. Yes, chartbook version 7 is enough. What I can go ahead and tell you is, Baba, chartbook version 7 is enough. If you have the chartbook version 7, pick up the amendment. Amendment booklet is already there in free resources, rameshsoni.com. Amendments, along with that, you have to go ahead and do this suggested answer for May 22 and November 22 ka RTP. Enough. Yes, I have gone ahead and picked up all the question MCQs which are there. Most of the MCQs from your ICI material has been picked up. ICI ka MCQs which are there. Case study, 30 best case studies I have gone ahead and chosen and I have included in the MCQ book. If you want the MCQ book, you can go to rameshsoni.com and you can buy the MCQ book with reasoning also. Done. Chalo, Baba, done. I will take a leave now. Baba, top 50 questions, all the 50 question which you are talking about, you have to go ahead and practice question answers. When you practice question answers, the questions which you make a mistake or you are not writing well, those are your 50 top question which you have to do before the exam. Chalo. Yes, Giri, it is enough. It is enough. No problem at all. It is enough. I will take a leave now. 7 days challenge it is. In 7 days, next Sunday, I will go ahead and ask you guys if you guys are practicing. And if you are doing it, trust me, it will make a lot of difference. Bye. Bye, guys. Monica, don't worry. Go for the amendment booklet which I have gone ahead and put in rameshsoni.com, free resources. In that, I have put the amended chart. So you can download you go to rameshsoni.com, free resources. In free resources, download the amendment material. In amendment material, I have gone ahead and given the amended charts also. You can do that. ठीक है, चलो, bye guys. Take care. Study hard. Start practicing, pick up your Q&A material and start practicing today. Now, today is the day you have to start, because if you start today, by next Sunday, you will be done with 7 days of practice. Today means you will be done with 8 days. Yes, sir. Baba, do it. Let's do it. Start. Chalo. Bye, guys. Take care. Bye, 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 bye all. Bye, bye, bye.